we meet first time, so I introduce myself. I'm Walid Hussain. I'm from Bangladesh and I am a English learner. That's why I'm here and speak with foreigner like you. It's really helpful for me. I think that's
Oh,
enough. And could you introduce yourself if you don't mind?
okay. Besa, I'm a Nigerian. I speak English.
In your country, everyone is speaking English language?
Everyone, yeah. We have Igbo people, we have Igbos, Hausa, Yoruba, different ethnic groups now.
Most of the time, and
But randomly English, like different people with different language, but English is just like the best language that does communicate with everybody.
yeah, you're right. Your country, how many languages are using for speaking in your country people?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Can you share something about your country? How is going on? But any news, any viral issue you can share with me.
Any news? No, I don't really know about any news for now.
What do you do for living? Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm also working. I'm schooling and I'm also working.
Oh, you are working.
I'm, stu-
Where?
I'm studying law in school.
Okay. Do you live with your family or you live with alone?
I live alone.
You want to make friend? You have friend?
Yeah, friends.
So you party with your friend?
No, I don't actually go out partying. I'm not like partying type.
You don't like to go to party?
Yeah, but I go with my friends, but not partying. We can go for dinners, road trips, something like that, but not partying.
So okay. What's your biggest dream you want to be in future?
Yeah, I want to own my own law firm and be a big lawyer
You want
in the UK.
to be a good lawyer in future?
Yeah, a big one.
That's great. And you work on it?
Yeah.
That's great to hear that. And one day you will be success with my prayer.
Yeah, thank you. I know I will.
Can you share some tips how can improve my English, because in my country are not good in English, not everyone. So many people are really backdated. They are thinking why you learn English, what is the reason? Because
Yeah,
everyone
I understand because
everyone speak in our native Bengali language. So you, why you learn? It's not necessary. So many people are thinking. So how can we avoid this situation?
it's actually it's very good to learn English because you never know where you would go to, and you don't know where you can find yourself tomorrow. Because you can find yourself in Nigeria, maybe in France, anywhere. Even France, if you need French, but at least you can communicate a little with English. So I think that you should at least maybe get an English tutor or something. You need to go with your mind and learn your English. It's a very good thing. So you won't have only one language, you also learn the English language.
Yeah, it's a really good thing, because I want to go abroad in future. That time I'm really want to know how to speak English is very well, because they always speak in English language, right? So that's why. But now I can't, I don't worry about it. Who is, what are you saying about me? Why I'm learning English? I don't care, because I know what I'm doing.
Yes, you need to, before you go for something, you need to be sure of what you want. Because surely, society will always talk. You just need to know what you want and pursue what you want.
Your school is English medium?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. I think Nigerian, three cities, I think. How many?
Nigeria.
Nigeria is a big country.
Yeah, it's a very big country. We have many states inside Nigeria. We have Imo State, Lagos. We have many states.
So, which is your favorite state you want to go for visiting purpose? This place
In Nigeria,
in Nigeria,
yeah, Abuja.
Abuja, and it's very
Mm-hmm.
attractive place.
Yeah, it's nice. I've gone there like 4 to 5 times.
For
So that place is very nice to go.
it's
Mm.
very far from you or very near?
It's not too far from me though.
Okay, you want to go by car or plane? Which vehicles you use?
By plane, not by car, by plane. So what about you? Which state would you like to visit in Nigeria if you have the opportunity to come to Nigeria?
I first visit. You recommend me your favorite state. I
Okay.
definitely want to visit.
Okay.
Why is famous? There is very good, beautiful places.
Hmm?
There is visiting places available in your state. If any
Yes,
foreigner
but very
want to go your state, which place should visit? You recommend it.
please visit for a start. If you come, depending on what you were looking for in coming to Nigeria, because it's depending. If you want a place for like entrepreneurship, resources, and everywhere, I would say Enugu. There are different states. So it's depending on the particular states you want to go to.
Yeah, absolutely right. Everyone have own mind, own perspective. So it's different for everyone. Do
Yeah, a place I may like, you might not like the place, so that's just it. And maybe you have a thing you want to do in Nigeria, that place might not be okay for you, what you want.
okay. So you want to go abroad in future or you stay with your
Yeah.
country?
No, I will. I want to also abroad in future.
In your country, I heard about so many issues sometimes people are not get good opportunity, that's why they decide they go to abroad. It's true? Don't be shy. Okay, it's true or not?
Nigerian countries are good though, depending on the states you are. That's why I said there are states for working, they have states for entrepreneur where you can work, sites and everything.
Okay, you told me before.
And if you really want to, you can choose particular states you want to invest in. You can invest in many states. So it's not actually that suffering or anything. Yes, you have to work hard to get your money now. You have to work hard. So surely there'll be one or two hardship, but you still be okay.
Okay, in future when you get success, what should we do for your country? You do for your country.
No, I would like to, in future, the first thing I would like to do is to help the orphanage, people without parents.
Well, it's a really great
The
thing.
motherless one.
You are very kind heart person. That's why you thinking about them. It's a really good idea.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone should do something for them.
Yeah, because actually, there are like there are people that don't have modern parents, so we actually need to help. That's just it. Actually, go to visit them.
Yeah, they deserve a good life because they don't
Yes.
have parent, and without parent it's very difficult survive to in this world
Mhm.
nowadays.